Chapter 33. Article Writing. An article is a piece of writing published in print or on the internet for the purpose of propagating news, academic analysis, research, or debate. It is a medium of converse with the readers directly. This means that writing an article requires high degree of creativity, rich vocabulary, good grammatical skills, thorough knowledge of the topic, and ability to research and organize. Articles are written for a wide audience and thus they act as a channel of public opinion. It is essential for a writer to be focused about the purpose of writing the article and adhere to only a particular style of writing. There are different kinds of articles that we read in newspapers and magazines, like sports, editorial, health, entertainment, and so on. Whatever the genre be, it is notable how immensely does writing develop self-confidence and self-esteem in learners. An article is an expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject logically and coherently written in meaningful paragraphs. Writing an article is a challenging task. It needs creativity, good vocabulary, good knowledge of the subject, and skill to organize ideas. Purpose: to focus on themes like social concern, narrating an event, description of a place, etc. Format: heading or title must be catchy and sharp. By: name of the author. Body: first paragraph. Introduction: start with a slogan, a question, an amazing fact, figure or statement. Second or third paragraph. Content: causes, effects, present state of affairs, etc. Fourth paragraph. Conclusion: draw solutions and conclusions. Points to remember: give a title that catches the attention of the reader. Begin with a striking opening sentence which addresses the readers and gets them interested in the topic. Present a strong argument for your ideas, supporting it with evidences or elaboration. Use linking devices, however, therefore, although, even though, in order to make the composition appear a whole. Introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph that follows to strengthen your ideas. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. Use passive voice, humor, emotive language, rhetorical questions to provide a specific effect. Conclude with your strongest point. Sample articles. Science exhibition in schools. Science is an essential part of an educational system. It is indispensable for the students to develop scientific sense during their young age. A wonderful way of doing so is to organize exhibitions. It helps students to develop a scientific approach towards different aspects of life. It also instills a spirit of healthy competition and creativity among the young budding scientists of the institution. Students can prepare working models as well as non-working models in a science exhibition. It requires a lot of planning and hard work to accomplish the tasks of creating models. Awarding the best models is always a boost for students to strive for perfection. The successful completion of every exhibition is the result of the teamwork of the students as well as the support and guidance of teachers. Thus, the science exhibition prepares the ground for the young minds to grow and helps them to become revolutionary scientists of the future. Empowerment of women in India. There are a number of movements aimed at establishing and defending equal political, economic, and social rights and opportunities for women around the world. In India, women have been denied the right to education and work for centuries. Now, the situation is changing as the upliftment of women is a matter of great concern in the various governmental and non-governmental organizations. The government has passed many laws so as to empower the women. These rules have ensured the equality of women in the social, political, and economic fields. Moreover, women should be educated and better informed. Only then can they take rational decisions. It is said that when you educate a woman, you educate the whole family. Thus, a clear vision is needed both from the government and women themselves to promote women's emancipation. Efforts should be directed towards overall development of each and every section of Indian women by giving them their due share. School is a platform for acquiring leadership qualities. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other, says John F. Kennedy, former president of the USA. The school is a platform for the young minds to learn the basic lessons of leadership and grow as great leaders of the society in future. The curricular as well as the extracurricular activities help the children to acquire necessary qualities of leadership. The lessons dealing with extraordinary courage and outstanding character traits of world leaders motivate the young minds to acquire those qualities. The active participation in sports and games pave the way for developing leadership qualities. Various responsibilities that the children shoulder also help them to inculcate such qualities. The teachers and the other staff at the school provide the necessary support and guidance for the children to excel in their academic as well as non-academic events. Thus, the school plays a major role in the life of the children to help them grow up to be responsible and creative leaders.